Go Cardless Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people get recurring payments wrong, but here's why Go Cardless might change the way you handle subscriptions and invoices. Go Cardless is a payment platform designed to simplify direct debit payments for businesses of all sizes. Unlike traditional payment processors, it focuses on recurring payments, allowing businesses to automatically collect subscription fees, membership dues, or invoices directly from a customer's bank account. The surprising truth about Go Cardless is how seamless it makes managing recurring revenue. Once set up, payments are collected automatically, reducing late payments and the administrative hassle of chasing invoices. Businesses can also integrate Go Cardless with accounting software like Xero, QuickBooks, or Stripe, giving you a full picture of your cash flow. Most people assume setting up direct debit requires complicated paperwork. Go Cardless streamlines this with a fully digital onboarding process for both businesses and customers. Customers receive simple instructions and can authorize payments online in minutes. The platform also offers advanced features like automated retries for failed payments, custom notifications, and robust reporting. Plus, fees are typically lower than credit card processing, making it cost-effective for recurring transactions. Go Cardless is best for subscription-based businesses, SaaS companies, gyms, educational programs, and any organization that relies on regular, predictable payments. It's especially helpful for small to medium businesses that want to reduce administrative overhead and improve cash flow. The surprising truth is that using a system like Go Cardless doesn't just make payment collection easier, it can also improve customer retention, reduce friction, and give you more reliable revenue forecasting. Subscribe for more honest reviews of financial tools that help your business run smarter and smoother.